In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to find Mirage Island in Blox Fruits C2 and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the requirements to spawn the Mirage Island and what you have to do to actually get into it. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that, as you can see in the title of this video, it is asking the question if it is possible to get to the island on the second sea. Sadly, as it stands today, this is not possible. The Mirage Island can only be spawned on the third sea, so keep that in mind. You will not be able to go to it if you are limited to the second sea. However, if you have access to the third sea already, then you have the option of spawning it. Spawning it isn't a very common occurrence, but you can definitely do some steps to increase your odds. So, to do this, you will have to go between sea danger level 0 and 6. So it can spawn if you sail a boat between sea level danger 0 through 6. You don't have to be in a specific location, and to my knowledge, the odds cannot be increased. You simply sail between these sea danger levels and you will see it in the distance. If other sea events spawn, you can usually just ignore them if you are strictly looking for the Mirage Island. So once it spawns, it is going to take 15 minutes to despawn. So after 15 minutes, it is going to disappear. And if the person who spawned is not near the Mirage Island, it is also going to despawn. There is no cooldown for the Mirage Island to spawn again. It can only be found in the third sea, like I mentioned, and it is one of the rarest sea events to occur. Each boat in the player's exploration group raises the chance of a Mirage Island by a little, but the chance is still going to be low. So all that you have to do is sail between the third sea on danger level 0 through 6. I hope I was able to help you on how to find Mirage Island in Blox Fruits. If this video answered any questions that you had on how to find it, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.